Here I have Mercedes Vito, and let me show you how to activate the system pin on the following car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's here swipe to the left until you see the car icon. So under car icon, you've got settings. So let me tap the settings. Here you can use the top menu. So let's choose here system. And from the system, all you need to do is use this left menu. Select here the data protection, and as you can see now, you can find the system pin. This allows you to set a 4-digit code to log your profile. This is useful if you share the car and don't want others seeing your recent destinations, contacts, and private settings. So all you need to do is tap the system pin. Now let's choose set pin, and as you can see, you need to enter a 4-digit pin. Let me use 1234, one of the simplest one, and you need to re-enter it one more time. Tap OK. And that's it. As you can see right now, you just lock your car with the pin. So if somebody starts using your car, they need to enter this pin. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.